Alright. Hayaan niyo si Bebe. Yan ang leader niyo. Oh, ayan. Opo. Hello, Bebe. What is your name, Bebe?
MJ.
Oh, very good. You are the leader, MJ. Come here. Oh, you stand here, ha? Okay? Okay. Are you ready? Yes. Bakit? Palakpakan niyo naman si Bebe. Palakpakan. Ganyan lang po siya kaliit pero may asawa na siya. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. May asawa na po siya. May anak na rin po siya. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Siguro mga 2 o 3 ng anak nito. Nakailan na po? Nakailan na?
3.
Kita niyo sa liit ni baby, naka-train na siya at may asawa na. So galingan niyo dahil etong game natin is you're going to play on head, shoulder, knees, and toes. Okay. Kids, let's have some practice muna. Stand straight. Hands on your side. You're going to use your hands. Okay, when Kuya Moymoy said, head, where's your head? Head. Very good. Ang ating leader. Leader. Head. Head. Very good. Head. Masakit yata ang ulo niya. Head. And where's your shoulder? Shoulder. Knees. And toes. Yan. Kuya Moymoy is going to hurry. Gagalingan ninyo. Bibilisan ni Kuya Moymoy. And yung magkakamali sa inyo, sorry. So, you must be careful and pakinggan mabuti si Kuya Moymoy. Are you ready, players?
Yes.
Alright, kids. Where is your head? Knees. Oh, yung isa nawala, yung knees. Nawala yung knees. You're going to sit down. Opo ka muna dyan. Pwede kang matulog muna, kuya. Pagising mo, wala na kami. Stand straight. Head. Shoulder. Oh, yung shoulder mo, nawala rin. Samahan mo si kuya matulog. Okay, 3. 3 na lang. Isip dito. Isip ikaw dito. Yan. Get ready! Hands down. Kids, are you ready? Whitey, are you ready? Gusto niya rin sumali. Head! Shoulder! Knees! Toes! Head! Toes! Knees! Ah! Naku ate, out ka. Sorry. Yan.